There was a single animating premise that drove us from the very beginning of this process, and that premise was this: we have nothing to fear from the facts. Our goal is to use the lessons of our history, the facts, as tools, not as weapons. That way we'll be in a better position to give everyone a seat at the table to talk about how we make our future better than our past. Shockoe Institute is a national organization headquartered in Richmond, Virginia, dedicated to exploring and revealing the enduring impact of American racial slavery on our national experience. We have been delighted to have the opportunity to welcome visitors in for a preview of Expanding Freedom, our 10,000 square foot exhibit. That preview has drawn absolutely wonderful reviews and reactions.
So when I think about having the 1220 team here in Richmond, first of all, I'm an engineer and I've built and created things before, but watching this really methodical process of going from design, doing a prototype, can we keep this? Is this good? And then moving all the way through fabrication and then getting it here. 1220 was the perfect partner to be involved in that. Doing a project like this in a space like this is really difficult. This space is a functioning train station. It wasn't built for this use. And so every wall that is here, the ceiling that is here, every system that is here, we built from the ground up. It was lovely seeing the expertise of the team, both in that initial process of just verifying measurements, but then a whole trailer shows up and all these people step out. All these people show up here to apply all of this lovely art to these walls. And to watch them meticulously do that, to watch them do that in a way that ensures we can create for the visitor what we hoped we would, yeah, I was deeply impressed by how we were able to work together, but also watching the team work with each other.
We're at a point where we're spending a lot of time thinking about the way we wish the facts of history were as opposed to the way they actually are. But it's only in interrogating the facts of our history as it was that we have the opportunity to work together to improve our civic life. I think about success at the Shockoe Institute in a 2, 5, 10-year time frame as follows. Have we positioned this conversation nationally in a way that gets us out of the left-right binary foolishness that so much of our public conversation inhabits today? Have we been able to convert the lessons of our history into some kind of positive and constructive action for the future? That's how I'm going to measure success for the Shockoe Institute.
This is a place of learning, reflection, and action. And I hope people take all 3 steps. I hope that they learn something new. I hope that that reminds them of the present conditions that we live in, reminds them of the progress that we made, but all the work that's still yet to do. I hope the team is proud. I hope that when people show up, when the 1220 team show up, and all our other team members show up and they look at the end product, I hope they're proud. I hope they're proud of the work, proud of how it looked, and proud that they got to be a part of it and to see the impact that it's having, not just on the people who show up here, but this is gonna reverberate past Richmond. And so I hope that gives some pride to everybody who got to be a part of this.